Welcome to the Four Susans Cafe. Welcome to the tete-a-tete that's set on set for parley. Yes, welcome to the day, they say, when Lenny met Stenley at the Four Susans Cafe. Stenley you meet later. Lenny St. Monkey. We know this. He wears a white decorator's suit with his name on the back, just like the others you meet. Stenley, as noted, and the musicians, of course, who are the Four Susans. The cafe belongs to them. Why not? But all in good time. For now we consider Lenny and two particular areas of the cafe. This table for two, where white-suited Len will sit, alone for the moment, facing you. As well as considering the empty seat at his table, he will also occasionally glance over to that area of the room. Over there, and up above, is a big screen, which plays a looped film of Cat's delicatessen scene from When Harry Met Sally. And as Meg rides her fake orgasm for Billy, and customers look on bemused and bedazzled, so we have a third and detached audience, which sits in what appears to be a director's chair. To be precise, it is a gorilla's head, which bears the directorial presence of an Ed Wood, not so much in your face maybe, but equally upbeat about the spectacle observed. Sitting alone at a table for two can be a demeaning experience, in a world deemed more suitable for twos, as everyone here will testify. So to pass the time, to make himself look less exposed, Len mumbles to himself an old ditty, The Dogger's Revenge. Old doggerel, why not? 12 verses, each of which have the same number of lines, 3, as our dear old haiku. But the 17-syllable rule does not apply here. Now, before you say, hang on, hold your horse, I've come here specifically for the haiku course. Before you say that, let me say this. Haiku narration only happens in Len and Sten's conversation. That goes without saying. So as Len mutters the revenge, does he sing? Does he rap? Does he poeticize? Now this is a tale of a dogger's woe, and spoken thus with thrust, as artists take the piss out of me, because me love me lust, and a dog in me won't go, no, a dog in me won't go. In every car park in all the land they turn up with their chumps, and write and sing and paint my ass until me got the hump, and a dog in me won't go, no, a dog in me won't go. In Milton Keynes they descend in droves to the drive-in concrete cows, to bait the bull as he beds and bucks. Oh yea, me well endowed, and a dogging me won't go. No, a dogging me won't go. So as Len mutters the revenge, does he sing? Does he rap? Does he poeticize? I wonder.